Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. If this is the first time of stopping on my channel, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post my next video. I'm going to show you today how I make my shrimp with broccoli. Okay, so of course this is what I'll be using: fresh broccoli. I'll be steaming that pretty soon. Sugar, of course, ginger with garlic, our salt, our shrimp, black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, sesame oil, cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine, white pepper. That's all you need. Okay guys, so let's start. Alright guys, so our water is now boiling. So the first thing we're going to do is cook our broccoli. You cook this broccoli for only 2 minutes. Do not let it pass 2 minutes, because I like my broccoli crunchy. We're going to add a little bit of salt on it. And just cook it for 2 minutes. Alright, so as the broccoli is boiling, we're going to start with getting our shrimp ready. We're going to add cornstarch on it. We're going to add our salt. We're going to add white pepper. Mix them together very well. And we're going to set aside. Okay, so now our broccoli is done, so we're going to now take it out. Okay guys, so now we are going to fry our shrimp now. So we're going to add our oil, vegetable oil. Heat up the pan, make sure it's hot and nice. Use my hands. Get down dirty with the hands. I love shrimp. I'm a seafood lover. Do not overcook the shrimp, guys. 3 minute max. Okay, our shrimp is now done. We're going to take it out now. Okay, now the shrimp is done. It's now for us to combine everything together. We're going to add our oil again. Our ginger, our garlic, while this is frying, we're going to mix our sauce now. Okay, so now we're going to start to mix our sauce. So let's mix our sauce. This is oyster sauce. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of that. Let's make it 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of that. Sugar. Chinese cooking wine. Sesame oil. One tablespoon for now, but I'm going to add more later. White pepper. I'm going to mix it all together, and then we'll set it aside. This is our sauce, guys. Alright, now we're going to put our shrimp back in. Now we're going to put our broccoli back inside also. Mix it all together. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. We're going to add our sauce, which we already mixed in. Okay, guys. Our shrimp with broccoli is coming around nicely. The same, I've just finished mixing the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. So we're going to go ahead and add that in now. now, last but not least, we're going to throw in our sesame oil. Bam, bam, bam. It smells like Chinese restaurants in here. Okay guys, so here is our shrimp broccoli. It's done now. Dinner or lunch is ready. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you know when I post my next video. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.